Jessica Dean, the Director of Marketing with AIM Transportation Solutions. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about one of our lesser known divisions, AIM Used Trucks. Typically, when a truck goes off of lease, that truck goes to our used truck department for sale. Today, we're here with Mr. Eric Samp, who is our Director of Used Trucks, to talk about some really exciting developments in the department. Eric, how you doing?
How are you? Good afternoon.
Good. So can you tell me a little bit about what's going on with used trucks right now?
Yeah, we have some exciting times ahead of us at AIM and the used truck division. We've, historically been very good about pulling our units out of our lease rental fleet and reconditioning those trucks and then, reselling those to end users or wholesalers down the road. But over the past couple of years, our inventory and the makeup of our lease and rental fleet has really grown exponentially in our customer base and their desire to buy our equipment. And as a result of the now improved used truck market that we're seeing in the industry and the fact that our equipment coming off lease and out of rental is more desirable than ever, we are looking to expand our capabilities in purchasing equipment externally, bringing that equipment internally to recondition, and then having that available for sale to our end users as well, just like our lease and rental equipment.
That sounds like it's going to be a really great opportunity for anyone out there looking to purchase used equipment, because not only do we have our extensive sales network led by you, but we have our in-house maintenance department, which performs top of the line, all certified technicians, and you can be ensured that any equipment that you do get has been well cared for by AIM's team.
No, absolutely. The equipment that we do purchase externally will be from known sources that I've worked with in the past. The equipment will be coming to us in very good condition, trade term condition typically, and then we'll be bringing those pieces of equipment into one of our 3 used truck centers in South Holland, Toledo, or Girard, and having those pieces of equipment reconditioned by our own internal technicians that have been doing this for decades on our own lease rental equipment, and getting that back out the door so we can have it available for sale to our customers.
It's going to be really exciting to see a new opportunity to stick that AIM quality brand onto some external equipment and get more people out there happy to be operating an AIM vehicle. So
yeah, it's a huge opportunity. It's probably the first time that it's been done, definitely at AIM, but maybe even at any other national lease affiliate. Certainly most lease rental companies don't do this, but as a practice, but we saw the opportunity. We have an excellent network out there to bring the trucks in and get them turned around back on the backside. So super exciting times. I'm looking forward to it, and so is our team that's going to have these trucks ready to go in the near future.
Well, I'm excited to see what happens. So thank you very much, Eric, for being with us today.
Thank you. I appreciate the opportunity.
Bye-bye.